Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. If this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell down below so you don't miss anything. Alright, so let's get into the video. This is going to be another strong buy. The ticker symbol is UMPQ. It's Umpqua Holdings Corp, and it operates as a bank holding company, which provides banking and financial services. Now, this company operates in four main segments, which is commercial bank, wealth management, retail bank, and home lending. Now, for $21.65 currently, you can get involved with this company. 42% of analysts are saying to buy, and 174 people on Robinhood own this company. Now, that is a very small amount. This isn't a company that too many people talk about. It's not very, exciting company. It's not a big tech company or anything like that, but it is something worth talking about. It is up 28% in 1 year, moving up $4.81 in their price. Now, they currently employ 4,380 employees. They're headquartered in Portland, Oregon, and they've been around since 1999. The cool thing about this company is they have a large market cap of $4.76 billion. They have a low PE ratio that I love, below 20, which is at 16.52, and they're paying a nice, strong dividend right now at 3.27%. Now, with an average volume of 1.74 million volume, it's amazing that this company is able to be profitable as well as pay their shareholders a dividend, and I believe this company is doing really well right now. Not a lot of people know about this company, and I just want to be able to show people that this company is worth buying. Now, the average price paid is 5% higher currently at $20.63 is where the average is around. That's okay. It is showing significant growth. As you can see, again, the 42% of 12 ratings from analysts are saying to buy, where another 50% are saying to hold. This company has a strong earnings per share, and they've actually been performing very well over their estimated earnings for quite some time. They're going to have another estimated earnings coming up on October 17th. But right now it looks like they're right around the $35 cents per share in earnings. So that's a really strong company to look into. Now, I do also like the street rating. As of August 26, 2018, which was just recently, Umpqua Holding Corp, or UMPQ, is a buy, which means I recommend it as a strong buy. It has a B rating. As you can see, again, it shows an annual dividend yield of 3.64%, or 80 cents per year in dividend payout to shareholders. Their target price, as you can see in the right hand corner over here, is at $28.77. With a great target price like that, I think it's a strong company to get involved with. Its price change, stock performance, and growth percentage, all here on the left, is significantly increasing over time. Slight pullback the last 3 months, but that's okay. That's just showing some of the long-term holders probably selling off a little to make some profits, and it's going to dip, and they're going to be able to make some more money. Now, with that said, they've been a buy rating since 2016, which is interesting that not too many people on Robinhood know about it specifically, but it's another cheap, good company to get involved with. Now, some of their positive factors that are driving this buy would be basically their earnings per share has improved by 15%, their bottom line by earnings per share for 1.12 versus the 1.06 of last year, and they're expected to improve that earnings per share to $1.41. Despite growth revenues, the companies underperform just a little bit of the industry's average, but still slightly increasing 7.9% over last year, as well as their net income increasing by 15%. That's $57 million to $66 million this year, which is incredible. Now, with that said, all these factors have helped drive the company's shares up by 26%. That is amazing, which has exceeded the S&P 500 index by a long shot. Now, this is a good company to still get involved with because it still has a lot of growth to catch up on. Currently, their profit margin is very high at 86.66%, which is pretty great, and their net profit margin trails the industry, which is at only 20% for the industry. So, as you can see, though, UMPQ is down a little bit at 5.27% in revenue growth, and their EBITDA margin is at 40%. A little bit low on the favorable scale, but that is okay, as well as being a little low here on this side, but still revenue growth 4.35, earnings yield 5.58%, and just a real quick recap on the net income, net sales, PE ratio, market cap, and price, as well as some of the competing companies and peer groups that are also part of commercial banking. I haven't had a chance to look into many of these companies, but I probably will. And if you see one that you spotted that you either own or would like to own, you could always just drop a line in the comments and say, hey, do a video on that, and I can. So just let me know. Also, their factor score rating, let's take a look at that real quick. Growth 4.0 out of 5 stars, total return 3 out of 5 stars, efficiency 3.5 out of 5 stars, price volatility 2.5 out of 5 stars, solvency 4.5 out of 5 stars, and income 4.5 out of 5 stars. Now, this is, again, I could say it over and over that it's a good company to get involved with. It's not too late to get involved in this company. It still has a low share price of only a little bit shy of $22. The stockholders' net worth is unchanged since the last quarter, so there's not many people selling off their shares, which would make this a good company to get involved in. To have a target price set $6, basically almost $7 above its share price currently, is a great start. It's been updated August 26th, so that's a good rating, and they've been in this same buy rating since 2013, which means it just shows tremendous growth and stability in picking a good company long term. So, alright, if you like this video, please smash the like button, and you guys have a great day.